I'll ask the same question. A lot of energy in the game, lots of energy from the start to the end. Scores were shared. Would you say, per your plans coming into the game, it worked out?
Yeah, I would say so. Especially based on the chances that we created. We had numerous of them that we should have converted. There were a lot of spaces. There were a lot of spaces behind their laterals, and then we tried to play the balls behind the laterals, which was very good. Out of that, we got a goal. So we continued, had the chances, but we couldn't convert. So to me, I mean, it was a good game. As you said, the intensity was very high, right from the blast of the whistle to the end. Both teams showed a lot of intensity in terms of trying to pin the opponent to their half with the ball. So it was a good game.
Yeah, guys. Any question, guys?
Coach, you're more about so say Berekum Chelsea. Almost starting season, we are sure that none of the team go at minute. You're more about so for that. But as you say, second half, the guys need now to go actually. That was the plan.
No, that was not the plan. We tried to, because the energy levels of the game was very high. I think we tried to make sure that we win the second ball. So we lured them. We realized that they were just kicking the ball, trying to use the space behind us, which was very constructive on their part. Constructively, they wanted to use the spaces behind us. So what we also wanted to do was to make sure that we sit in the half of the half, so that we can pick the first balls and pick the second balls, and then also punish them by using the spaces behind their laterals. So basically, it was a tactical approach that we were, and if you saw it, it was working. Especially even going to the end of the game, it was working very well for us, and we had some few chances out of that.
Coach, if I'm a Kotoko fan, should I be worried that the wins are not coming? If I should not, what will you say to them should be their expectation going forward?
We played only 3 games. So 3 games, we've won 1, we've drawn 2. So I think it's work in progress. The boys are doing well. They should still support the team, and I'm sure going forward, we'll give them what they want.
Coach, on the next game against Ushachaman on Wednesday,
Won't get there.